Okay, thank you everyone. We are at the end of chapter 3. So to summarize things up, we have been looking at these industrial process variables, transducers, and signal transmission. Remember to go through all the slide, the videos that we have learned before. So these videos is important for you to review. We have several parts in our video. So we have learned from this signal transmission, and we also learned some of the standard signals. We have learned the flapper nozzle system, the IP and PI converter, and then several type of sensors, temperature sensors, mostly RTD and thermocouple. And then we goes into in the temperature. We also learn this table and how to get to calculate the value by using some interpolation. And then we goes into the pressure sensor, some basic of the pressure, and then pressure sensor. We have basically the first part, which is the primary, and we have the secondary. So we have covered the strain gauge, LVDTs, capacitive, uh, potentiometric transducer. So these are the secondary sensor. The primary such as Borden tube, diaphragms, and bellow. And we also covered the differential pressure transmitter. And then we have learned about flow, the how to calculate the flow mass flow rate, and then some classification, and then several flow sensor type, and then we have the invasive and non-invasive type. So we also learn about this ultrasonic, electromagnetic induction. And later we goes into differential pressure technique, which is more popular in most in the process industry. So the differential pressure technique implements some restriction to the flow, which causes the differential pressure to occur. There are several type of obstruction that we can use. For example, orifice, and then we have nozzle, venturi, and also pitot. And at the end of the flow meter, we have learned about rotameters. And then we look at the level sensor, which is we have several types of level sensor, from the most conventional sight glass, and then we have float, tuning fork, conductivity. All these are the uh, point contact method. We have then also learned about the continuous method, which includes bubbler, differential pressure. So we cover a more detail in the differential pressure, because differential pressure is quite versatile and applicable to uh, many applications. So the differential pressure, we can see we have for open tank, how the connection of the open tank, and then the closed tank, how to connect the differential pressure transmitter to measure the liquid level in the closed tank. And then we also learn about the other continuous techniques such as ultrasonic and capacitance.